Yo, peoples, what's up with y'all, man? It's your boy up a notch. Everything goes up a notch. You feel me? But we on this heavy rain. This a three-part. This a three-game series too. So we're gonna be knocking all these out too. We're gonna play all three of them. But this a three-game series. This game right here in particular was made in 2010. So bear with me on the graphics, y'all. Bear with me on the graphics. I also played about 5 minutes of it and I wasn't recording, so I had to delete and start over. We back though. We back. Heavy rain it is, y'all. This game kind of cool too. It ain't. I mean, there's a lot of interacting with the control or whatever. But yeah, we can work with that. We can work with that. But yeah, hit that like, subscribe, share. Hope everybody staying up, staying safe, staying blessed, man. Doing what you gotta do. And yeah. So it's a three-part series too. The first game, this is right here, is of course Heavy Rain. The other game came out in 2013, I believe. It's called Two Souls or something like that. In Detroit, that's supposed to be the one 2018. But yeah, we're gonna see what's up with this right here though. The first 5 minutes was cool though. First 5 minutes was cool. You know my motto too, spark one up if you got it, take a sip if you got it. I'm gonna have to do mine later. I did mine in the first 5 minutes, so I'm gonna spark my little cigarette. I know I'm gonna stop, y'all. Oh, about to kill myself. This game remind me of the old Resident Evil. Like it moved kind of wide here a little bit. But it was cool though.
I better take a shower and get dressed before I go downstairs.
Gone shopping. I'll pick the kids up from school at lunchtime, and then I'll come home to get things ready for Jason's birthday party.
Okay.
Don't work too hard.
We jumping
I love
straight
you.
into it too. Everything with the controller. What was that? Man, take a leak. I mean, shower real quick. Oh, you got a flush, bro. Put me back in there. Okay. Man, that really make me. Come on, bro. Really? Dang. Come on, yo. It really make you shake the controller, yo. I ain't feeling that. No, sorry. I ain't feeling that. They say you supposed to look in the mirror for 10 minutes every day. I ain't got time, bro. I know what I look like. what I did. I went down first. I thought it was making me go down. Oh, don't go too fast. My bad, bro. Alright, we're going to the shower. I actually need to check something real quick. Let me check something, y'all. Oh, I need the webcam more. I can't do it right now. I found out a little cheat code with that shaking the joystick. I want to switch angles.
I'm as clean as a whistle. Time to get dressed.
Boy, you loud, ain't you? I am clean as a whistle. It's time to get dressed. Like, bro. They trying to cover it up him putting his pants on. Clean. Man, clean right now. Alright.
I've got some time before Grace and the kids get back. Better get some work done.
I'm just checking it out. Yo, they move like Resident Evil in here. I don't like that.
Nice day outside. Maybe I could squeeze in a little garden time.
Oh man, kids leaving little toys around and all that. Oh, soap operas. I got the soap opera music for you too. Okay. Man, nice with the soul stick. Stick work. Okay, oh, this needs some garden work right here. Okay, let me go over here. Come on, this is a garden, bro. Come on, bro, this is the garden. I can't go walk through there. Okay. What happened to the music, man? Nothing? Boy, you ain't had to do no garden work, man. That man ain't had to do no garden work. Nothing right there. They just made me walk around this whole yard. Let's play with some toys, though. What? Oh, that was to put it back down. Boy, you ain't had to do no yard work. Out here bluffing. I don't know back. Hold up.
I could go for a cup of coffee.
Man. I would have done that before I came on here. That's why he probably ain't do nothing. Alright. Okay, hold up. I don't want nothing for real. I actually wanted coffee, man. Yo did it the right way too. You turned and caught it to the side a little bit. Hit that like, subscribe, share, y'all. I ain't get my coffee, none of that. And here go the kids and her. Her nonsense, man.
Hey, you're gonna knock me over. So this is your big day, huh?
Am I grown up now?
10 years old. That's not exactly grown up, but you're getting there.
Now, can I drive your car?
And I think you're gonna have to wait a little while for that.
Ethan, can you please help me?
I'm coming.
Got you, mama.
They've been so excited since this morning. I could hardly keep them in line in the supermarket. How's your day been? Managed to get any work done?
Not really. I tried, but I didn't really nail it. I hope I get inspired because we're supposed to be presenting the plans to the client next month.
I've got a billion things to do. It'll never be ready before Jason's pals arrive. Can you please help me? There should be plates in the living room cupboard.
No problem. Leave it to me.
That door's always ticking. Give it a big tug. That's to send my mother.
Okay, everything. I don't know. I'm kind of feeling it a little bit. This game kind of hard.
Incident with your mother.
Take your time. I'll see if she need anything else real quick. Mama.
Ethan.
I don't know if I've already told you this today, Mrs. Mars, but I find you very attractive.
You're not so bad yourself, Mr. Mars.
Okay. Boy, y'all ain't even kissing for real. Oh, they might be kissing now. Yeah, they kissing now.
I know what's on your mind, Ethan. But now is not the right time for it.
Shame.
I've really got to focus on this party. We'll continue
This party right now. We could do a little party right now real quick.
When are Jason's friends coming?
Oh, about 2 p.m.? Oh, God, I hope I'll be able to keep the situation under control. Not like last year.
Can I do anything to help?
No, thanks. I should be able to manage.
They got the soap music going on.
Did you find the present for Jason?
Yeah, I picked it up from the store this morning. Oh, we were lucky. It was the last one in stock.
Oh no, what you doing, bro? I gotta go holler at them real quick. There's a Resident Evil moving.
That's it. I'm free as a bird.
Hey, 5 minutes, boys, okay? After that, we've got to eat because your friends are going to be here soon.
Okay, we promise, Mom.
Who wants to go first?
Me first.
No,
me
me
first.
Easy, fellas. You can both have a turn.
I gotta do Shorty first. This is his birthday.
All right, Jason. Let's do the helicopter.
Yeah, it's your birthday. Gotta hit them all first.
It's my turn now. It's my turn.
Okay, Sean. Get ready. Here we go.
Oh. Let's see how nice I am. Boy. Boy.
Come on, Dad. Show us how strong you are. Big muscles.
Be careful. Hang on.
Your right stronger than the left, boy.
Oh.
You need to work out a little bit more on that left. Oh yeah. I was already practicing with those. Yeah, what we doing?
This time you're done for. You will pay for all your crimes.
Okay.
Surrender quickly. Say your prayer.
Sins of the pig. Boy.
Come on, Jason.
I am victorious.
Uh-huh. Leg shot. Get out of here. You got to get that out of here. I'm bent out of shape too. I'm a little litty right now.
Go, Jason. Yeah.
Boy.
Food's ready, kids. You
Come
coming in?
in.
Alright, everything from here on is new to me.
Sean? Lunch is ready.
I'll go get him.
Oh yeah. Supposed to came in here and sat down and eat. Like, why you let him do all this? I know you ain't all the way upstairs. Yo upstairs. Right up here chilling, looking at the birds.
What's up?
It's Merlin.
Oh, yo gone.
He's dead. He's dead and it's all my fault.
No, it's not, Sean. Of course it's not your fault.
I'd give anything if you could come back to life.
You know, Sean, there's some things which just have to happen. Even if you don't want them to.
It's not fair, Dad. It's not fair.
You be good, man. You be good. Hit that like, subscribe, share, y'all. Alright, what we doing? All all this is new right here. All this is new to me. Let me go back to the cinematics.
I'd like to have a quick look at some shoes for Sean. Can you watch Jason for a minute? I promise you won't be long.
They be so off with the audio.
We're not going anywhere, are we, Jason?
I'm ready.
Jason! Jason! Jason!
Boy, you are Jason. Why did they make me look at that? Boy, Jason ain't in there. Well, let's go ahead and bend on around the corner.
Jason! 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 Jason!
Jason.
Jason! Jason, you really shouldn't run Ralph like that, you know?
And he wasn't responding to you.
Please, Dad, can I have one? I'd really love to have one. Please, Dad, come on.
Okay, let's go buy a balloon.
Great!
Hey, champ. What's your name?
Jason,
Which balloon would you like, Jason?
the red one.
There you go. That'll be $2, sir.
Jason, wait for me. Wait for your dad, son.
Yo,
It's really
man.
crowded in here.
Shorty don't follow no directions. All them pockets, man. Come on, what is that?
Keep the change.
No, lost again.
It is impossible to try on a pair of shoes with this crowd. Where's Jason?
I was here a second ago. I bought him a balloon. I turned around and just disappeared.
Jason be all over the place.
Disappeared? What do you mean disappeared?
Stay here. I'll go get him. Be right back. Jason! 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 Jason!
Jason!
Jason! Jason!
Jason!
Yo.
Jason! Hey, man, watch where you're going! Jason!
Yo.
Jason!
I don't even know what I'm doing.
Jason!
Bro, what?
Jason!
Yo, what in the world? I can't even see what's going on.
Jason! Jason!
Bro. I see Jason right here, man. They telling me to press X, but yo.
Jason!
And then they all glitched over in the corner, man. That's how they.
Jason!
Like, bro.
Jason!
I'm supposed to be going somewhere?
Jason!
Hand on here?
Jason! Jason!
Like, what is that? Okay, I can move around regular now. Okay, I'm getting the hang of it. I can move.
Should be easier to spot.
Red balloon.
Jason!
I just seen him.
Jason, God, you really have me scared.
Really all that though?
Jason!
Everybody move out the way, man. What up? He out here running around and shit, man. The fuck? Sure, out here running around.
Shit!
They really gonna do Shorty like that? Damn.
Jason! Jason! Oh my God, no! No! No, Jason! Oh
On his birthday.
my God! No!
Damn. Well, that's crazy though. But I thought Main Man blocked all that. I thought Main Man saved them almost. Like, Sony Computer Entertainment. Ja'Cory Ainsley. Sam Douglas. Leon Ockenden. Heavy Rain. Coming to theaters near you. Aurelie Benjamin, Mike Powers, executive producer, Guacamole, producer Charles Cloutier, ski producer Scott Johnson, sets designer Thierry Fleming, set manager Christophe Bruxelles, characters and facial manager, animation manager, Jeremy Murner, Xavier Despaz. Alright, I'm done, y'all. I'm done. It's showing you every manager that had anything to do with managing this. Okay, now the game begins now. Now everything stops. 2 years later. Man, messed up that my little son died, man.
Hi, Sean.
My dad.
Sean don't even seem like himself no more, man. Damn. Now, what would have happened if I just started that thing up not knowing? Hey, for real. Hey, for real. I'm about to say, I know I ain't turning and all that. Written and directed by David Cage. Gonna take me a little sweetie sweet. Man, you ain't got the crib no more? Yo, how we really living, man? Sure ain't got no rent for nothing. Yo, how we living, how we go from what we had, man?
Sean, do you want to do your homework now?
That's first
Please,
off.
Dad, let me watch TV a little while longer. We'll do it later, okay?
All right, I'll come back a little later. Grace has Sean this weekend. Seems like he can't wait to get back to his mother. I wrote a reminder note on the board in the kitchen.
bored in the kitchen. That's the time. 4:30 snack, 6 homework, and then in bed. Let me just show you a snack.
Time for a snack. Maybe Sean is hungry.
Bro. That's not what he want. Where the snacks at then? Maybe the snack somewhere else. Oh, he about to grab a banana, bro. What? Bro, go back in the crib, bro. Where the snacks at? Bro, I'm trying to find you a snack, bro. Not in here. This game a trick, yo. I can't even find main man the snack. Ain't no snacks in there. Alright, where the snacks at? Hold on, main man want a snack. Hold on, where the snacks at? Nothing over here. Shorty, I don't know where the snacks at, bro. That's crazy. Shorty just out here doing his own little thing. I ain't even mad at you. Don't need me for nothing, huh? My bad. What's wrong with it? He got his own self a snack, man. It's all here. Nothing. Y'all know the R1. Oh shit. Oh, that's to put the ball back down. What? Hold up. Yo. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. One more time. Okay. I'm too quick with it. Stop playing with me. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Alright, so you gotta go do your homework now. You gotta go do your homework now, Shorty.
Sean hasn't done his homework yet. Sean, do you want to do your homework now?
Please, Dad, let me watch TV a little while longer.
Oh no, you hit me
We'll
with
do
that
it later,
earlier.
okay?
I think we should just get right to it. Then it's done and out of the way. Now,
Thanks.
get your bag and get set up in the kitchen. I'll help you.
There you go. My fault. Get out your way. Well, you ain't sitting down with Shorty? Let me check around here. See, if I would never found that if I wasn't, you mean, scrolling around.
When the parents came home from church, all their children were gone. They searched and called for them. They cried and begged, but it was all to no avail. The children have never
Dad,
been
I
seen
finished.
again.
Can I go watch TV?
I don't even know what that say on yo. What? Oh, what are you doing?
It's dinner time. I better make something for Sean. Let me have a look. Pretty good.
I thought
Looks
I cut
like
that
you're
TV
done.
off too, though.
Off you go.
I could have swore I cut that TV off. When I say ill, what does that ill mean?
Come to think of it, if he's not asking for anything, it must be because he's not hungry.
Nah, yeah.
Sean's sneezing. I think he's catching a cold. You've got a cold coming on. I'm gonna see if I can find some medicine for you.
So far, they got me playing, what's the name of that game, yo? The computer game with all of the Lord people doing animation. It's gonna come to me in a minute. What a bathroom at. Yo, what is the name of that game, yo? We playing soap operas.
Here, take this. It'll make you feel better.
Man, ain't get
Thanks,
short
Dad.
in no water or nothing, huh? Just take this. Take this.
Do you want me to get your dinner?
Oh yeah, I'm really hungry.
Okay, I'll go see what I can find. I'll call you when it's ready.
Oh snap! Why I do that? Want to do the Marie count? We get him a pizza. We get him the pizza. Whole pizza just sitting there chilling.
You can come now, Sean. Your meal is ready.
I'm coming.
Hold on, 9 o'clock. He's supposed to have been in. Bro, you gotta go to bed after this. Damn, I'm gonna give you a second to eat. Yo. Oh, it's 8. Okay, it's 8:15. I thought it was 9. Bro, you better eat. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off because I'm about to go ahead and cut this off because you're going to bed after that. Say eat, bro. Go to bed. Bro.
It's Sean's bedtime.
About to say, if you don't go to bed.
Come on, Sean. It's time for bed.
I'm not tired yet. Can I stay up a little longer?
Now, that's not very reasonable, is it? You have school tomorrow. You have
Facts.
to get some sleep.
All right, I'm going. Are you coming with me?
Go brush your teeth and put on your pajamas. I'll come up.
Yo, you see how they spell pajamas, yo? If I ain't mistaken, it look like PYJ. They had pajamas. Man, cut this off, man. I know I ain't. Oh no, he upstairs. Alright, what I gotta do, y'all? I ain't got nothing for me. Go upstairs. Guess it's about time for me to go to bed. Come on, y'all. What the action at too, man? Gotta show me the action, man. We're gonna check on Sean, make sure he's good. Let me get Shorty right real quick.
Good night, Sean.
My teddy! I haven't got my teddy, Dad.
You must have left it somewhere in the house. Do you have any idea where it could be?
No, Dad. Please, I can't sleep without him.
All right, I'll have a look around and see if I can find it, okay?
I ain't gonna make it no way easy. Let me check somewhere more. I know it wasn't no way reasonable though. I think all the way over here in the by the kitchen, that little room over here by the kitchen. Can't go in the boxes. No, I don't want these people. It's in this room over here. All the way downstairs in the opposite room here.
Thanks, Dad.
Good night, Sean.
Night.
Alright, it's time for me to go
Dad?
take it down now.
Yeah?
Why do you look so sad?
Little man
I
left
think I
us,
just
man.
need some time to get back to the way things were.
You know, Dad, what happened to Jason wasn't your fault.
Good night, Sean.
I don't see how my man ain't hospitalized because I really thought he was down there and saved Shorty. Come on, y'all. I'm thinking you about to tuck him in, bro. What you about to do? Y'all about to pat Shorty head. What's up with my man? Hit that like, subscribe, share, man. That comment box, I'll be in that comment box too. Man, a little dream or something. Don't forget, follow your boy up a notch, man. Hit that subscribe. I'm man just out here walking in the rain, man, cooling. Press what button? We're gonna end this vid right here though, y'all. We're gonna end this vid right here. I'm scared to just go back. Let me let it play out a little bit. We're gonna end this vid right here though. It's your boy Up a Notch, taking everything up a notch. Hit that like, subscribe, share. Okay, so now we about to get into some action, but we're gonna end this vid right here. We're gonna end this vid right here. Hope everybody's staying up, staying safe, staying blessed, doing what you gotta do. It's your boy Up a Notch. To be continued on the next Upper Notch.